Hello dear formulators, we will show you today how to create account in our application. So you need to visit Formulator Online app URL, then enter email in email address in email field. Then you need to enter password. Select checkbox, click sign up, and after this you can start to work, but also you need to approve your email address in order to make billing and confirm your email. So you need to go to your email address provider and find verification email, click verify email, and after this you're ready to work in your application. As the next step, I would like to show you how to sign up using Gmail account. It's a bit easier way. So you just click checkbox and click sign up with Google. And after this, you'll be ready to start to work without any confirmation of email. So that's all. Happy formulation. See you in the next video.